Soil fertility evaluation of intensively cultivated farmlands. Soil properties affect different aspects of crop in agriculture, factors that is essential in effective crop production. Soil physical properties play an important part in the growth of plants. Since the soil serves as an anchorage for plant roots, it should possess the favorable physical conditions that promote growth that will allow the roots to move easily within the soil in search for moisture and nutrients. It is necessary for a farmland to have a good till, to have a good condition with its ease of tillage and penetration for seed emergence and crop root growth. This condition is directly affected by soil texture, porosity, bulk density, and water holding capacity. On the other hand, chemical properties also dictate the fertility of a given land. Soil nutrients except nitrogen are inherent in the soil. However, due to continuous cropping and cultivation and the natural nutrient depletion process, the natural soil fertility of the farmlands are dramatically declining. It is the goal of this study to evaluate the current soil fertility status of the different farmlands in the project sites. The results from the study will allow the researchers to correlate the distribution of pesticide residues that are threats for human and animal health in the farmland as affected by some physical and chemical properties of the soil. Specifically, the study aims to have a soil fertility map as a final output and a general recommendation on proper soil management in the area covered by the proposed study. There are three objectives of the study: to determine the current fertility status of the different study sites, to determine the chemical properties of the soil, to come up with a soil map of the distribution of pesticide residues and fertility map of the different study sites. Research highlights: procedure and methodology. A topographic and land use maps were obtained from the three municipalities of the selected barangays. Representative soil samples were taken from each land use and elevation that will represent the areas. The soil samples were collected for the three municipalities and were brought to Benguet State University and St. Louis University for soil physical and chemical property determination. Each consortium university analyzed specific physical and chemical properties of soil as follows. For chemical properties, potential hydrogen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. After analysis and interpretation, intervention action activities were done. The following intervention activities will be undertaken as follows. Demo farm. Demo farm in each municipality will be established based on the results of the soil analysis. Training will be conducted on soil management and composting. IEC materials on composting, lime requirement, and soil fertility management and status of Atok Bugyas and La Trinidad Benguet will be produced and disseminated. There were a total of 212 sampling sites from the three barangays of Atok and 32 sampling sites from La Tubleng Bugyas for soil fertility evaluation. The table shows the result of qualitative analysis done with the samples from Atok Benguet. The potential hydrogen of the soil from the area ranges from 4.8 to 6.0 of the 212 farms sampled. Generally, all the farms sampled have low nitrogen. The potassium content of the farms ranges from low to high. The potassium, on the other hand, indicated 80.41% sufficiency in Katubo and 93.52% in Paway Atok. Soil sampling was also done in the identified sampling sites at Natubleng Bugyas, Benguet. These were brought to Benguet State University Soil Science Laboratory for soil test kit analysis for qualitative analysis. The potential hydrogen of the soil ranges from 5.1 to 7.8. In addition,